Today's video delves into the reasons why AMC is more powerful than it has ever been, examining its most recent accomplishments and outlining the reasons why it continues to be a firm with enormous promise despite the continued difficulties it faces. First things first, let's get right into the numbers. Milestones and strategies that make AMC stand out in the current market. For the first time since 2015, AMC has just reported its highest financial result. The company has successfully reduced its debt by $350 million, stretching the due dates out to the year 2030. This is one of the most notable highlights of the company's recent accomplishments. Taking this action not only helps to strengthen its financial foundation, but it also helps to cut interest payments, which frees up capital that may be invested strategically. The level of financial progress that AMC has achieved demonstrates the company's dedication to becoming a more robust and competitive institution in the entertainment sector. Another victory for AMC comes from the successful retail popcorn business. As a result of this product's success in large retail shops such as Walmart, Target, and Costco, enormous revenues have been generated. The company's expansion into consumer goods has resulted in the creation of a new revenue stream that is complementary to its core theater activities. If you've enjoyed AMC Popcorn, please share your thoughts and opinions with us in the comments below. Would you suggest it to other people? The rise of AMC's membership has also been a significant element to the organization's success. AMC stub memberships are hitting record highs, and this boom is driving increased revenue and attendance at AMC theaters. More members mean more recurring revenue and a higher likelihood of continued support for the company. These memberships also contribute to the short squeeze potential as the number of loyal shareholders increases alongside membership numbers. Speaking of short squeezes, AMC's short interest is at its highest point in 12 months. However, it's crucial to understand that the reported short interest only scratches the surface offshore shorts. Brokers continue to employ these strategies in order to suppress AMC's price. But the resilience of the company and its shareholders continues to be a formidable challenge for the shorts. Unregistered short positions and other forms of manipulation frequently go unreported, which means that the actual short interest could be significantly higher than what is reported. These investments will modernize AMC's theaters, ensuring that moviegoers have a premium experience, cementing the company's position as a leader in the entertainment industry. Let's not forget that AMC is not just sitting back and watching these dynamics unfold. The company is reinvesting heavily into its core business. A reinvestment of $1.5 billion has been allocated for theater upgrades and preparations for upcoming blockbuster releases. Forget about the recent financial infusion that AMC received. The firm was able to raise $183.2 million by selling 50 million shares at a price of $367 per share through a forward purchase agreement with Goldman Sachs. However, some people may be critical of the low sale price. This injection of capital provides the necessary financial flexibility to allow for the management of debt and the investment in prospects for growth. In spite of the fact that the choice to sell shares at a discounted pricing may appear to be a double-edged sword, it guarantees that AMC will continue to be financially secure while simultaneously laying the groundwork for future expansion. Additionally, it is important to take note that significant institutional investors and hedge funds are altering their holdings in order to incorporate AMC companies. Although the share price has been suppressed, the underlying value of AMC is becoming increasingly apparent to investors. This activity indicates that investors are becoming more confident in AMC's fundamentals, which are steadily improving as the company focuses on innovation and financial discipline. Now, let's discuss the broader market dynamics. We've observed a trend in which AMC and GME are being pushed down on days when other stocks are climbing. This is not a coincidence. It is part of a deliberate effort by short sellers to maintain downward pressure on these stocks. Legal disputes that have taken place in recent times have shown alliances and strategies among short sellers with the intention of damaging AMC and GME. Even with all of these efforts, despite the fact that AMC's resiliency continues to shine through, the company's loyal investor base continues to stay reliable. It is also a challenge for Citadel, which is one of the biggest participants in this industry. The difficulties of finances this year is the first time that the flagship Wellington Fund has not automatically returned earnings to its customers. Instead, the fund is hanging on to more capital, which is an indication that it is prepared for the possibility of losses or liquidity concerns. This new finding sheds light on the pressure that shorts are currently facing as they struggle to preserve their positions in the face of competition from corporations such as AMC as in the future. In the future, there will be more prospects for AMC. It is anticipated that the film business will experience expansion, and AMC is in an excellent position to profit on this trend. Its improvements in terms of finances, despite the fact that there are still obstacles to overcome. It is evident that AMC is not only surviving but also thriving in an environment where many people questioned its capacity to recover. Innovative initiatives and a loyal investor base form a robust basis for sustained success. AMC's journey is a monument to the company's perseverance, strategic decision-making, and the steadfast support of its shareholders. From the reduction of debt and the success of retail popcorn to record high memberships and forward-thinking investments, AMC has successfully navigated its way through history. Guys, that is all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on AMC's stock? Make sure to get involved and let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. AMC is stronger than it has ever been. The road ahead is promising, and as the company continues to innovate and grow, it is poised to remain a dominant force in the entertainment industry.